Did you know that you can start trading with just $100? Yes, it's absolutely possible, but there's a catch. You need to know exactly what you're doing or your account can blow out like this. Well, in this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to get started with trading with just $100 and turn it into a powerful learning and earning journey. Make sure to watch this video till the end because I'll share a critical step that can help you maximize your small account potential. Let's dive in. Hello everyone, my name is Joelita and I'm the CEO of Tradex Network, where we simplify trading across Forex, crypto, gold, and stocks. If you're new to trading or have limited capital to invest, don't worry, this video is for you. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel and let's dive in. Step 1, focus on learning. Alright, first things first, do not start trading with that $100. Yes, you heard me right. Why? Hear me out. Instead, keep the $100 in a bank account where it's safe. Look, trading with real money way too soon is a mistake that a lot of beginners make, and it often leads to bigger losses or maybe your account getting blown out. Your first step should be opening a demo account. It's risk-free and it will let you practice and get comfortable in your trading journey without touching your real money. If you're new to trading, get yourself familiar with the basics. You can search online like day trading for beginners or check out Baby Pips. It's a great place to learn the ropes and I'll link it down in the description box below. Step 2, build your capital and income. While you're learning the basics in a demo account, you need to find ways to build up more capital. $100 might seem enough when you get started, but to really start making moves, you're gonna need more than that along the way. Now, if you're still in school, hustle, like start selling shoes, clothes, anything that you can part with. Now, if you're out of school, pick up a gig like DoorDash, freelancing, or even tutoring. Whatever it takes to get more funds, but don't ever ask your friends or family to fund you. You have to do this all by yourself. Yes, you heard me right. All by yourself. Don't depend on anybody else. The initial goal of this step is to save up for your future trades. Step 3 is develop a simple trading plan. Now let's talk about your blueprint for success, a solid trading plan. I'm going to be making a video of this topic very soon, so keep an eye on that. After you learn the basics and got some experience on the demo account, it's time to build your approach to the market. But here's the key. Keep it simple and keep it low risk when you're starting out. Test it over and over on your demo account and don't rush. Here's the thing. If your strategy doesn't feel right, don't force it. Look at what's working and what's not and adjust accordingly. Step 4, embrace losses and learn from them. Look, here's the truth that a lot of people won't tell you. You're going to lose. Yes, everybody does. But here's exactly where your growth happens. Don't let your losses discourage you. Use them as lessons. The key is practicing consistently and don't worry about being perfect because in the end, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Step 5, start small when you're transitioning to a live trading account. Once you're confident using the demo accounts and you've seen consistent results, it's time to go live. But here's the most important rule. Start small. Use that $100, but only risk $1 per trade, or even less. This isn't about making tons of money right away. It's about proving to yourself that you can actually deal with real money and make consistent profits without blowing your account. Step 6, master risk management. This is the most critical step, and I need you to pay close attention here. With a small account like the $100, risk management is everything. Now, here's how you can manage risk effectively. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account on a single trade. For $100, just risk $1 to $2 per trade or even less. Always set a stop loss to limit your potential losses. Avoid over leveraging even if it's tempting. Risk management is what separates successful traders from the ones who lose. If you skip this step, you're setting yourself up for failure. Step 7, stick to one proven strategy. When trading with a small account or even a large account, simplicity is key. You don't need 10 strategies. All you need is one strategy that actually works. And this is where the Tradex Entry Formula comes in. It's designed to help you make informed decisions without getting overwhelmed. To learn more, visit our website and subscribe to a waitlist, and don't miss out when it launches. Step 8, backtest and review. Before you go live and trade, backtest your strategy, even in the demo account. Use historical data to see how you approach trades. This step is crucial because it helps you build confidence in the strategy, shows you what to expect in different market conditions, and helps you refine your risk management plan. Exness is a platform that I would recommend. All the links are in the description box below. And also, I'll be making a dedicated video on Exness very soon, so be sure to subscribe. Step 9, focus on consistency, not quick gains. With just $100, the goal isn't to double it in a day. Aim for consistent small wins, 1 to 2% growth per week. Over time, these small wins will compound into something much bigger. Patience and discipline are your biggest assets. Stick to your plan and trust the process. And here's what you need to do next. Check out Exness using the link in the description box below to open up a free account today. Visit our website and subscribe to a waitlist for the Tradex Entry Formula to simplify your trading journey. Like this video and subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions in the comments below or any future ideas you might have. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.